Enable Live VM migration in XenServer for no downtime. Live VM migration in XenServer allows you to move virtual machines from one host to another without any interruption in service. It means your apps and workloads can keep running during the migration. How does Live migration work in XenServer? A live VM migration in XenServer transfers the VM's memory, storage, and network config in real time from the source host to the destination host. This ensures a seamless transition for your VMs without any downtime. Benefits of live migration in XenServer. High availability. Live migration boosts your VM's availability. It reduces the risk of outages. Efficient resource use. Live migration lets you balance your host's load by moving VMs to optimize resources. No downtime. Live migration in XenServer keeps your VMs accessible during migration. Real-time virtual machine migration. Live migration lets you move VMs in real time. It won't affect performance or user experience. How to enable Live VM migration in XenServer. Configure shared storage. Ensure both hosts can access the shared storage with the VM files. Enable Live migration. In the XenCenter console, navigate to the VMs tab, right-click on the VM you want to migrate, and select Migrate. Choose the destination host and follow the prompts to complete the migration. Monitor the migration. Use the XenCenter console to check the migration progress. Ensure everything is running smoothly. Conclusion. In conclusion, enabling Live VM migration in XenServer lets you move your VMs between hosts with no service interruption.